Hello guys, today I have this mighty Komatsu Japan 125 engine for excavator. You can see this condition of this engine. It is 100% original Komatsu Japan. We have this engine in our store. If anyone wants to buy, do contact Talal Al Jazeera Truckside Equipment Charge Industrial Area 3. I will mention company's number and description. I show you all around this engine. You can see the other view of this engine. You can see backside these oil filters. Guys, please, if you like our videos, please do subscribe our channel to watch further more videos about heavy equipment parts. You can see this. This is very powerful engine. Komatsu 125, 100% original Japan. If anyone needed, please do contact us and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you can get the notification when our next video uploaded. If you are a technology lover, then you have to subscribe this channel.